Is your world starting to feel smaller because your vision and hearing aren't what they used to be? You don't have to miss out on family conversations or struggle with small text anymore. Today, we are revealing 10 life-changing gadgets designed specifically for seniors that can help restore independence and confidence in everyday life. Let's explore 10 incredible vision and hearing gadgets that could truly transform everyday life. Product 1: AI Vision Reading Device. Our final gadget is one of the most impressive innovations for people with severe vision challenges. AI-powered reading devices can attach to glasses or be worn as a small portable tool that scans text and reads it aloud instantly. This means seniors can hear books, letters, restaurant menus, and product labels without needing to rely on someone else. Some advanced versions can even recognize faces, identify objects, and describe surroundings in real time. This technology can be incredibly empowering for individuals who struggle with vision loss because it restores a sense of independence in daily life. With AI assistance, seniors can navigate the world with greater confidence and freedom. Product 2: Wearable Hearing Aid Amplifier. Modern wearable hearing amplifiers are becoming smaller, smarter, and more comfortable than ever before. These devices are designed to enhance important sounds like conversations while reducing background noise. This helps seniors understand speech more clearly in everyday situations such as talking with family members or listening to television. Many models also include rechargeable cases, allowing users to simply place the device in the charger overnight instead of dealing with tiny batteries. The lightweight design makes them comfortable for all-day use, and some models are nearly invisible when worn. For seniors experiencing mild to moderate hearing difficulties, these wearable devices can significantly improve communication and overall quality of life. Product 3: Large Button Universal Remote. Watching television should be relaxing, but small complicated remote controls can make it frustrating for seniors with vision difficulties. A large button universal remote is designed specifically to solve this problem. Instead of dozens of tiny buttons, it features a simplified layout with only the most important controls like power, volume, and channel selection. The buttons are oversized and clearly labeled with high contrast colors so they are easy to see and press. Many models are also compatible with most televisions and cable boxes, making them simple to set up. By removing unnecessary complexity, this gadget helps seniors enjoy their favorite shows without struggling to operate complicated electronics. Product 4: Smart Voice Assistant Speaker. Smart voice assistant speakers have become one of the most useful gadgets for seniors in recent years. These devices respond to simple voice commands, allowing users to perform many tasks without touching a screen or reading small text. Seniors can ask the speaker to tell them the time, play their favorite music, read the news, or even make phone calls to family members. Some people also use voice assistants to set medication reminders or control smart home devices like lights and thermostats. Because everything works through voice commands, it removes many of the challenges that come with small buttons and complicated menus. Product 5: Bone Conduction Headphones. Traditional headphones cover the ears and block surrounding sounds, which can be inconvenient or even unsafe in some situations. Bone conduction headphones offer a completely different approach by transmitting sound vibrations through the cheekbones instead of the ear canal. This means seniors can listen to phone calls, music, or audiobooks while still hearing the environment around them. This feature is especially helpful during outdoor walks or when interacting with family members at home. The open-ear design also makes them comfortable for people who experience discomfort with traditional earbuds. Product 6: LED Page Magnifier. An LED page magnifier is another great tool for seniors who enjoy reading but struggle with small print. This gadget typically features a large magnifying lens combined with built-in LED lighting to brighten the page and enhance visibility. The wide viewing area allows users to read an entire paragraph at once without constantly moving the magnifier. The bright LED lights reduce shadows and improve contrast, making text appear sharper and easier to read. Because it is lightweight and easy to hold, it can be used comfortably for reading books, magazines, newspapers, or instruction manuals. For seniors who love reading but find it difficult with aging eyesight, this simple tool can make reading enjoyable again. Product 7: Talking Clock. A talking clock may sound simple, but for seniors with vision impairments it can be incredibly helpful. Instead of struggling to read a digital screen or small numbers on a watch, users can simply press a button and hear the time spoken clearly. Some models also announce the date and include alarm functions for medication reminders or appointments. The loud and clear voice output makes it easy to hear even for those with mild hearing difficulties. Many talking clocks are designed with large buttons and high contrast displays so they are easy to operate. Placing one on a bedside table or desk allows seniors to quickly check the time anytime without needing to strain their eyes. Product 8: Rechargeable Hearing Amplifier. Hearing conversations clearly can make a huge difference in staying socially connected, and a rechargeable hearing amplifier is a simple device that can help improve sound clarity. These gadgets work by amplifying nearby sounds so that voices become easier to understand during conversations, family gatherings, or watching television. Many models feature background noise reduction to make speech clearer even in crowded environments. The rechargeable battery design means seniors don't need to constantly replace small batteries, which can be difficult to handle. Lightweight and discreet, these devices are comfortable enough to wear for extended periods, making them a practical and affordable option for seniors who need a little extra hearing support. Product 9: Digital Video Magnifier. Reading small print can become frustrating as vision declines with age, and that's where a digital video magnifier becomes incredibly helpful. This device uses a small camera and screen to enlarge text, allowing seniors to read books, newspapers, medicine bottles, and bills much more easily. Many models allow users to zoom in several times and adjust brightness and contrast for comfortable viewing. Some even provide color modes that help people with specific vision conditions see text more clearly. Portable versions are small enough to carry in a pocket or purse, making them useful both at home and while traveling. Product 10: AI Smart Glasses. Starting off our list are smart AI-powered glasses designed to assist seniors who struggle with vision challenges. These advanced glasses can help users interact with their surroundings in a completely new way. Some models include built-in cameras and speakers that can read printed text aloud, identify objects in front of you, and even describe your environment. This means seniors can read restaurant menus, medication labels, and letters without needing to strain their eyes. Many smart glasses also connect with voice assistants, allowing users to ask questions, hear notifications, and even make calls hands-free. Technology is making life easier than ever before, especially for seniors who want to maintain independence and stay connected with the world around them. The gadgets we explored today show how simple innovations can make everyday tasks like reading, hearing conversations, and managing daily routines much easier. Whether it's improving vision, enhancing hearing, or simplifying communication, these tools can truly transform everyday life. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments which gadget you think would help you or your loved ones the most. And if you enjoy discovering smart Amazon gadgets that improve daily living, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.